Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to do data presentation in Alteryx. So here I'm using Alteryx Designer 64-bit. So for our data presentation, let's go to input in and out tab, and here first we need to drag this input data. Now here connect a file or database. You can use file or database. So let's click on this drop down. Now from here you can go to the database whatever you like, or if you want then you can select the file. So I'm going to select the file, click on select file. Now here I'm going to use file 1, this is CSV tab, click on open. Now you can see this is the data inside file 1. And hereafter for data presentation we need to use browse. So if I click on the browse, view data from the connected tool, and here and view data profile information, reporting, snap, map, behavior analysis information, and many more. So let's here drag this browse, and here you need to stabilize the link, and hereafter you can no data it's displaying. Now if I click this, now we need to run this workflow, and now you can see here it's loading the data, and here you can see 30, 40, 90. So 30 is the twice times. Here you can see this is 31, and here 2. It's hard to read when it's duplicate, many value duplicates. But if you are using here browse tool, you can easily identify here 30, it's 2, 3, 4 whatever the times, 42 and 90. Here you can get more details. So this all. So here duplicate values and unique value it's displaying. Let's go back, and now here after this is about DPT number 10, 100% unique 70, null 0, and here not taking empty, it's all 3 or 0. So here 10 total, and unique 7s, minimum value 2 and max 2, average 2, shortest. So here this is the detail. Now let's do cancel, and hereafter you can see another field name dname says 3 times operation 2 research 2 account HR11, and here location Boston and UK. So here let's you can see this all, and if you like to know more details, here you can see this all. And let's go back, and here dname unique, and here you can see 10 rows are there, uniques are 6. Now you can see mean, max, and longest value accounting, and last alphanumeric value science. So it's giving the detail of all these things. There is no any blank space, leading space, trailing. So it's displaying 0. If here you can if the file has some blank values, it will automatically detect at this place. Now you can see this all those things. Here I'm going to change the data. Let's do one thing, select the files, and here now you can select let's select this one, and here you can see some. So we need to run this first. Let's run the workflow again. Now you can get here or different values. So here it's browsing. Now you can see there is one column name, and here you can see unnamed estate 959, and this is unnamed estate. So this is total occurs 959, and here 3598 unique 1871, and this all. Now if I scroll down, here you can see mean, max, average, shortest, and longest values it's all are displaying, and here value count. Like this you can use any other file or database table. So let's use this term customer, and here you can see this is the customer. We need to run to see here this file on the details. So let's click there. Now you can see this is the customer, and here customer ID, it's all are unique, no any duplicate. Here you can find. Now here you can see this all are unique. Let's go back. Now here you can see here mean, max, here longest on the customer. Now let's cancel this, and here store. So a stored number maybe duplicate 100 3 times. Here you can see, let's click this on a stored number. So unique only 10 and 2678, and here unique values are only few. Now here you can see somewhere I'm going to find so this is Denver here. Now let's go on this address. So this is here address, and here let's cancel. So this is customer ID, customer segmentation, response first name. Now you can see first name here some values, Mary 56, total marriage 56, Jennifer Maria 37. Now last name, address, and let's click on this address. Here you can see longest highest value 50 out of 261. So this is the way we can present the data inside Alteryx. Now there is one important thing, so I'm going to change the file. So let's click on this browse. Now here file 2, not file 2, file 1 I'm going to select. So here this is the file 1. Now this is here you can see the sample. So here I want some values are like DPT number. This is numeric, but it's read as a string. So for this we need to here let's remove this, and here we need to go on this presentation. Here you can see select field. Let's take select fields, and here you can analyze here the type of data types. So here VS string, so this I don't want, I want in integer, and here this the size. Here you can increase and decrease the size. So if I want to give here 300, you can give this places. So with the help of select field, we can do some changes on data type and the size. Now you can see the records here. It's all are same, but here this DPT number, here this values data type value that change, and you can see this is unique values here, a standard deviation, max, mean, median, variation. It's all calculating. So here you can get this all information. So this is the way we can present the data inside Alteryx designer. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.